Alright guys, so I am very sorry about the last video. I have this, I'm dyslexic. It, I don't, I don't know how to get the thing arranged. It's like, I always think it's the opposite of whatever. Okay, so this is oscilloscope number 2, and we will put this away, and I'll look at the comments to do the next step for that. Okay, so I should weigh this. Oh, that's a heavy one. Okay, it's not plugged in or anything. Okay, so what I have next is this so I got this at Goodwill. Goodwill. There's really, I found some good cameras at Goodwill that might have been priced like, not priced the right, like, it's Goodwill. Okay, so I did have this one, and I had the battery, and it wouldn't charge. Okay, so I had to get this, and we do have, plug that in. Okay, and then it's supposed to charge this battery, but this is the lead acid batteries. Battery, what it got there? It's not clipping on there. It's not clipping on there the way I want it to. Okay, replace battery. So, yeah. Okay, replace battery. So these lead acid ones, oh my gosh, okay, are not, but I have another one. Where is the other one? Okay, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, it's right here. Yeah. So we could see if this one, 6 volts. Yeah, this is 12. I'm betting this is 12. So yeah, 12. That's not gonna, that wouldn't be a good idea. So we do have this charger. So I guess it could potentially charge another one of those. You've seen these a lot of times in the Goodwill. Okay, so that one's done, and we'll have to go to the next one. And the next one is I just organized here. So, yeah, I have this to charge it up, and the theory is once you have something the way you want it, then see, happy holidays. So we do need to, this kit was so nice. I just put it, that might get a little bit annoying. Okay, that might get a little bit annoying. And then the other things I have to, this does have the same, I should know that connector, and that's the same one as that. And it's like, I'm not afraid of radiation, but like, I took this on a plane and it was 300 counts per minute, and the background here in Indianapolis is around, I think, like 19, 20. So, of course, you're going up on a plane, and it annoyed people. This is what happened. So I had this thing in there, and as we took off, let's click, 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 and then I just annoy people with my testing things. But what is it? It's just, okay, well, you guys are probably tired of that one. Okay, so, what I think we should do is work on this project, this capacitor bank that I want to make. And so all I have to do, it's actually easier. I can see close up. Yeah, this one had, I love these capacitors. I love these capacitors. It's so cool. It just, yeah. Okay, I made this space for it. I don't understand. Okay. It was in there. So I had it just so, because I wanted to, and then while I'm talking now, Kill Tony's gonna start real soon, and P. Diddy, you guys, the feds are raiding P. Diddy's establishments in California and Florida. Sex trafficking. Oh, it's gonna get crazy. So what else? I mean, I had it snapped. That's how tight it was. I had it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. See, and that's why I want to solder it down. that's why I want to solder down. See, it snapped right in there. It was a tight fit. And so yeah, let's just see if we can do some work on the system here, because and this one is awesome, and somebody recommended it to me, that you can have, like, well, why would you want it to be, you're overheating it, why would you want to have that excess? It's like speeding up to a stop sign and stopping or something. So just have the, and I like this solder. I told you guys that I like this solder. Oh, I have this. Okay, this I like. Rosin paste flux. Harmful if swallowed. Flux. Lead-free, acid-free, non-corrosive. I'll just show you that. I like this one. And then, now see, now I have to get my glasses because, like, guys, and then where was this? You guys are, it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. It's just gonna get better. I have so many projects. Yeah, here's the, yeah, I need to focus on at least getting this one, the 400 volt capacitor bank together. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What did the solder go? I'm like, yeah, I'm very disorganized. I'm just don't. I cannot. Oh, this is just. You guys, this is not. Okay. Well, let's just say a pee break or something. Why don't I have the, did it fall? Okay. I have this one here. We have spectacular. So you be entertained. You be entertained. Oh my gosh. No. This is just not good. Okay, can we save it? Can we save it? Save it? Okay. Yeah, okay. Where's that solder? This is, so when I find it, it shall be, watch the globe. I have one place to look. Solder, where are you? Yes. Okay. I got it. This is not the one that I wanted, but this one's pretty good. So, we do need to make some. Why did you go out? Thank you. Okay. So, yeah, we just need to have. I started this project. Like, this is ridiculous. I started this project so long ago, and but in my mind, I have it. We, I have it. I do. I want to take the glasses off. Get down there. Yeah. Yes. Okay. I'm doing work on the system. So, I want this 400 volt capacitor bank, and you say, well, why do you need that? But you can use that energy for so much other things. So I just need to feed this in there. We need this to be a heavy trace. And I got the copper wires on there. Yes. So somebody dropped the ball for 6 months. Yeah. Oh, I want this. I have it envisioned in my mind how I want this to be. And we will get there. We will get there. Yeah. Okay, so just feeding it in, just kind of soldering these copper. So it's like I find copper wires, and then you just take them apart, and you can have all kinds of copper wires in there, and you could just go ahead and yeah, I have to crack the which is better than the dryer situation. I have a window here, so I can just go ahead and yeah, and I can have a fan in there and crack the window. Yeah, so I want those electrons to travel. But remember when they discovered or didn't discover, it's like they bump the way the electrons move is they kind of like bump each other. Like if you had a crowded concert and everybody's packed in there, I think that's the idea, is it just bumps it, it just it's like they don't just like zoom through there. The current will have yeah. So what I'm doing is just going over this copper, and I want to make it just go ahead and go over this copper with the solder, and yeah, I would say entice. Well, they're getting together, these things, chemically good, physically getting together. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Yeah. Okay, this project will I just have to work on it a little bit. It's just like building a house or something. You just have to work on it a little bit. Like, well, you have all the contractors and subcontractors and stuff, but in the property, and you have to have uh, the legal stuff, and you have to have it surveyed, and um, but that's building the house, building this house of this 400 volt capacitor. I'm at least performing some work on the system. So I want to do a little bit more on this one. And the next video, I want to put together a kit that I have. So let's do that. So like we'll just have this chain of not command, chain of what is the term for that? Chain of authority? Chain of where you have, one person, you have the, so like I left, when I started this video, we addressed the, I'm going to call it Oscilloscope 2. I'm going to call it Oscilloscope 2 because you guys have that one's 1 and 2, and then you haven't met 3 in the garage. So, yeah. I mean, you live a long time and you have a crafts, quilting or knitting or something, but I think I just really like electrons. I like these. I just was at the age when I remember in the school having the Apple IIe computers, and it just was like that right time. I would have been something else. I would have been a basketball player. I would have been an accountant. I would have been a stockbroker. I don't know. But I love this. So this creativity and what you can do with this. I have this idea with this 400 volt capacitor bank, and there's many installments on there, and we worked on it, we performed some work on it. Okay, in the next video I want to put together a kit because it's like a zipper. Everything will, or Legos, it will go together right. I'm just like off my ass doing this stuff. But yeah, so I envision these 4 planks of the capacitors, and I've distributed them out, and then I'll have the charger will be one of these things, and this is very fast. This will charge it very fast. So I'll use this to charge it, and I have a little meter on there. So that's, we're envisioning the 400 volt capacitor bank. And thank you for watching. I'm gonna watch Kill Tony, Griffin Gaming, and then I will make another video um, with a kit. I have a musical kit, so it will be awesome. So thank you for watching. You guys are awesome.